How to join multiplayer mode in Sonic Rumble. First of all, open the game on your device and make sure you are connected to the internet. Multiplayer mode requires a stable server connection to work properly. From the main menu, tap on the multiplayer icon located beside the play button. This will open the multiplayer lobby where you can join or create matches with other players. Make sure your game account is linked either through gameplay or your game ID so that your friends list and progress are properly synced. In the multiplayer lobby, you can search for friends or other players by entering your player ID or username. Send the join request to your friend or accept request from others. Once connected, you can create a room and add up to 4 players to compete together. During multiplayer races or missions, focus on using your character's boost, dashes, and power-ups strategically to gain an ace. Winning matches rewards you with rings, XP, and sometimes exclusive multiplayer reward. Now you know how to join multiplayer mode in Sonic Rumble and enjoy competitive gameplay with friends and other players worldwide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.